Williams Gorgar, the first talking pinball machine. So I hope you're going to follow me on this journey of refurbishing Gorgar. Let's turn this around so you can see the art more. This is a very nice play field. However, it's got to go. Here's the head. I have the glass out already. I will be making a video where we plug it in and see what it does and what it doesn't. I can already tell you there are some surprises in here. If you know pinball, you may know, and you might be able to see some of the surprises. I'm actually going to get ready to make a video soon plugging these two in to see what it does. So follow me on Williams Gorgar through this short, and I'll put a description to the playlist. So check it out. Please like and subscribe and follow Mark's Basement Arcade on Facebook. But make sure you like and subscribe, because this is going to be a cool and exciting project to follow. Gorgar hurt.